Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we'll be doing your love bite. Let's see what message wants to show through for you today. And these are general collective readings. Aquarius will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aquarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Aquarius, welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And yes, if you're new here, Aquarius, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Oh, Tower, 8 of Wands, Queen of Cups, 2 of Wands, 5 of Pentacles in reverse, Justice, King of Swords, Ace of Pentacles, and the 7 of Swords. All right. Aquarius, overall energy of your reading is the Death in reverse, right? Somebody just doesn't want to let go. Maybe you guys have had a tower moment of some sort. They really do want to communicate now. They do still love you a lot. They see you as the Queen of Cups, if that's you, Aquarius. This person has been at limbo since this tower moment. They've been stuck. They don't know what to do. They do want to communicate, definitely want to come out of the cold with you and want to bring back some justice. This person wants to communicate big time, and they're coming in straight. King of Swords, straight shooting person, you know, who wants to come in with the clarity and maybe offer you a brand new beginning. Maybe at the moment they're feeling that they have to do something to trick you into a conversation. I don't know what that is. Let's see. Let's start with some dialogue message cards, and let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then I'll start clarifying these cards for you. So Aquarius and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Okay. I'll take a few more from here, Aquarius. Aquarius and their person, they could say something to each other. Aquarius and their person. Oh, okay. And I'm going to take a couple more from here, Aquarius. All right, good to go, Aquarius. Let's start your reading. And the first card here says, I try to detach and let go, but then I get flooded with telepathy, dreams, and your strong sexual energy, which takes me over. Damn it! I told you, somebody's having a lot of problem letting go of this connection. They're not happy at all. I get so effing jealous knowing that you're in bed with the karmic at night. I feel sick to my stomach at the thought of you in bed with them. So somebody can't let go, they're jealous, they feel maybe you're talking to other people, or it could be vice versa. I don't know. You would know, how this interaction is going. I always thought we would be together. It absolutely breaks my heart that you're with them. Second reference to somebody thinking the person is with somebody else, or maybe they know. I get so triggered seeing you do things for the karmic that I want you to do for me. Third reference, Aquarius. So this read probably is not for everyone. Leave me a comment or a thumbs up to let me know how many this is resonating with, right? Because that really helps. It pisses me off because we should be together. Why are you wasting time for? The thought of being with you one day is what gets me through today. My desire is to have a family with you. Would you have a family with me? My mind is in turmoil trying to figure out how I can fix the mess I've made. I'm suffering from sleepless nights and feeling very low and anxious. You're all I desire. I see my future with you. And the last card here, Aquarius, says, thank you for your support. I could not do this without you. So Aquarius, if these are resonating with your storyline, let's start your reading and let's see what's going on. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card, see what my angels have to say to your reading with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for you. My angels, for my Aqua gang, please. Blessing, rewards. Yes, your rewards are coming in, Aquarius. Don't worry about it. And sometimes this card also means, Aquarius, that if you've been feeling anxious or waiting for something and not seeing anything happen, it's time maybe to reward yourself, because that sets the flow of energy into motion. Even if it's something small that makes you feel happy, maybe your favorite ice cream, or maybe a new piece of clothing or something like that, reward yourself, because that kind of unblocks the energy of receiving. So not a bad idea. Reward yourself first. So that's a lovely card, and this also promises future rewards coming in for you. All right, so Spirit, what's this Tower moment now for Aquarius? Where's the first card here? What's this Tower moment? Oh, the Tower moment is, Aquarius, that either you guys, something happened between you people, and you guys probably not talking to each other. There's a Queen of Cups who's feeling very overwhelmed with emotion right now, maybe feeling totally drained out of all their love. Maybe they've been the only one giving in this connection and not receiving back. And the Tower moment is that I think this Queen of Cups has suddenly gone silent. There is a lot of regret and sorrow at this Tower moment. Whatever's happened between the two of you, could be a fight, could be some revelation, something happened here, Aquarius, and there is a lot of sorrow and regret because of this conflict which has happened. Feeling awful about the way things are at the moment, but I do see there is fast communication coming in with the Eight of Wands. Eight of Wands, Spirit. Eight of Wands. Eight of Wands. Yes, somebody is really wanting this passionate forward movement with you, but maybe some lies has gotten caught, or maybe they don't know what to say right now. They don't know how to bring in that apology or that love offer. Somebody is heavily stressed right now, Aquarius. Somebody is heavily stressed. Maybe there were some lies here, I don't know. But whoever spoke these lies or didn't give clarity to this connection, they are a bit worried now as to whether their love offer will even be accepted. They have a lot of passion for you still, Aquarius. If you are the Queen of Cups watching this, then they do see you as the most beautiful, intuitive, loving, kind individual they've ever met, and they are raring to come back to you. They want to talk to you big time. So, Queen of Cups, Spirit, does the Queen of Cups want to have a say here? What do you want to say, Queen of Cups? Queen of Cups says, I always wanted them to take responsibility of this connection, but I never really know where I stand with them. This card came out sideways, Aquarius. Now this card upright is the perfect spouse, the person who takes care of you, who will provide for you, who will be that perfect partner in your life. And when it's upside down, it's normally a person who's chasing money and wealth and greedy with their time and energy and resources. But this was sideways. So that means this Queen of Cups has been kept a bit confused as to, being in limbo, never knowing which direction to go or where this connection is going. Two of Wands, Spirit. Two of Wands. Two of Wands. Yes, somebody feels, oh my God, somebody feels that with this Tower moment, because they never gave any clarity to this Queen of Cups probably, the Towers come in second time. Somebody feels because they were never deciding maybe between two options or two paths, whatever games they played, created a Tower moment, and the entire thing has backfired on them. This could be this King of Pentacles feeling this way, that oh my God, I mean, I always stayed in no man's land, and now we've hit this tower where things are not working out, and I was thinking I could kind of sneak away or ignore the problem, but now it seems that it's totally backfired on me. Now they're feeling very abandoned and left alone and neglected. They do want to come out of this zone though. If you guys are in separation, they do want to make things right. So 5 of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. 5 of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, they don't want to juggle anymore, Aquarius. They don't want to juggle it. They've made their decision. If earlier they were going back and forth in their mind, they have made their decision. But right now they may be a bit scared to come to you, Aquarius, because they may feel they're going to get rejected on sight. Right? Like shot at sight, like that. Like, how dare you? All right. So what else, Spirit? What's this 5 of Pentacles? Things have stagnated at the moment, but they do want to come forward and they want to start from scratch. Let's begin again. Here's a peace offering, Aquarius, and can we please have a second chance here? Can we begin again? They want to bring justice. Now these are both major arcana, so this is like divinely timed, I feel. They want to renew this connection. They don't want it to end because the Death card was in reverse as well, right? Somebody wants to bring justice, balance and peace back into this connection. So what's this Justice card, Spirit? Yes, they want to return. Absolutely want you to return back to them. They want to return back to you, and they're coming in fast. I mean, expect news any minute. This is like that. I want to come back to you yesterday. This person is adamant to get to you as soon as possible because they want to have this communication with you, Aquarius. King of Swords, Spirit. King of Swords. King of Swords, yes, they want to speak about the conflict that you guys have had, and they want to transform this connection, put an end to whatever bad stuff happened in the past, and start absolutely brand new. They have made their choice. Yes, they have made their choice that they want a brand new stable beginning with you. Now flip the energy, you would know which side you're on, Aquarius. Maybe you're the one who's feeling guilty and feeling, you won't be accepted, or you could be this Queen of Cups who has now withdrawn her love, and your partner wants to come in and offer you a brand new beginning. So somebody has made a decision here to come and offer this. So in Spirit, why is the 5 of Swords here then? 7 of Swords, sorry. Why is the 7 of Swords here? Somebody's feeling, no, they've realized what they've done. Maybe they were trying to escape this connection, or not connection. I think they were trying to escape making any decision regarding this connection. They do want to end this fight now. They don't want to fight anymore, Aquarius. They are feeling very embarrassed and very ashamed at the moment. They don't know how to face you. That's the honest truth. But heart of hearts, this person would really like to come and heal whatever is broken now between the two of you. And that's your hearts, right? So if you are hurting, Aquarius, so is your partner. So that's all I have for you, Aquarius. I hope this worked for you. Do let me know if possible. A thumbs up or a comment would really go great. And newbies, do subscribe if you enjoyed the reading. And I'll see you now on Tuesday. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.